Hi everybody, happy to meet you in another video. The method of completion of the squares of the quadratic equation applied in many places of mathematics. Wherever we are solving the quadratic equations, it's really become a typical task to solve it exactly and in no time. This is one of such a methods to solve. The application of this quadratic equations by the method of completion of the squares is highly useful in the partial fraction methods and in integration and in many other places. Let us discuss the steps for solving the quadratic equations by the method of completion of squares. The equation will be in the form of ax power 2 plus bx plus c. We have to write it in the form of x power 2 plus bx, which is equal to c. And as c is a constant, I am not bothering about plus c and minus c, whereas while solving a particular problem, automatically it becomes perfect. Find the ratio b divided by 2 whole power 2. What is b? B is the coefficient of x. And add this number b divided by 2 whole power 2 in both the sides of the equation LHS and RHS. X power 2 plus bx is equal to c. And now that becomes the perfect square. We can take the square root on both sides to solve and to arrive the x values. In this video, we are going to discuss two examples. Let's get into the example 1. The general form of the equation is ax power 2 plus bx plus c. The question is solve by completion of the squares x power 2 plus 16x plus 15 is equal to 0. It is always nice to write the given equation x power 2 plus 16x plus 15 is equal to 0. Take the plus 15 to your right hand side. That will be minus 15. Take the value of b. B is 16 over here. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 power 2 is 64. We have to add this number 64 on both sides of the equation. X power 2 plus 16x is equal to minus 15. So x power 2 is same, 16x is same, and minus 15 is also same. Now we are adding plus that 64 in both the sides. Now we have to simplify that. So x power 2 plus 16x plus 64 is equal to minus 15 plus 64 is equal to 49. We have to simplify the equation, and our objective is to bring the left hand side x power 2 plus 16x plus 64 into the form of a plus b whole power 2. X power 2, 16x can be written as 2 into x into 8, and 64 can be written as 8 power 2, which is equal to 49. So this can be written as in the form of a plus b whole power 2. So a is x and b is 8. So x plus 8 whole power 2 is equal to 49. Take the square root on both the sides. So x plus 8 is equal to square root of 49, which is plus or minus 7. So x plus 8 is equal to plus 7 and x plus 8 is equal to minus 7. X is equal to 7 minus 8 or x is equal to minus 7 minus 8. Either x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 15. We have done. Let us see our example 2. Solve by the method of completion of square. T power 2 minus 8t minus 5 is equal to 0. Write it in the form of x power 2 plus bx is equal to c. So take that minus 5 to another side. That will be plus 5. So here b is minus 8. So minus 8 divided by 2 minus 4, and 4 power 2 is 16. So we have to add this 16 in both the sides of the equation. T power 2 plus minus 8 into t is equal to 5. So this side plus 16 and another side plus 16. And we know we have to simplify that in the form of a power 2 minus 2ab plus b power 2, which has the equation in the form of a minus b the whole power 2. So the t power 2 minus 8t plus 16 can be written as t power 2 minus 8 can be written as 2 into 4, and t will be as it is. Plus 16 can be written as 4 power 2. This can be written in the form of a minus b the whole power 2, which is t minus 4 the whole power 2. Take the square root on both the sides to solve this equation. So t minus 4 is equal to plus or minus square root of 21. So t is equal to, take the minus 4 to another side. 4 plus square root of 21 or 4 minus square root of 21. Yes, we solved such an equation. Hope you understand this video. If you like, press the like button, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this, and you will be getting more tricks also. Don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the another video. Till that, bye bye.